Hey guys, as you could probably guess, we're having pizza for dinner with the Pillsbury pizza dough, which I use all the time. It's just really easy on busy nights like this. And as you can see, we're having pepperoni with black olives, parm cheese, and then of course pizza sauce. So really easy and foolproof dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow night. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we're having some chicken thighs that were seasoned and marinated with some olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, pepper, and rosemary. And then one of the super blends from Walmart, which has like the Brussels sprouts and the kale and the broccoli and the carrot that I sauteed up with a little olive oil, and then I put some eggs on there and let them kind of slow cook. And then I made some homemade potato wedges with some red potatoes. I just toss them in olive oil like you saw and season them and bake them till crispy, and I do leave the skins on. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made the Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken along with some sticky rice by the Innovations brand, which I love. It's like the best sticky rice that you can buy in the store that's already ready to go. You just have to steam it up in the microwave. Really easy night, which is perfect for the busy day that we had. I did add some Ercover green beans in and a little bit of toasted sesame seeds on top. And I also added just a small splash of soy sauce, the low sodium one. This is dinner tonight. We're gonna dig in and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight I made my beef enchiladas, which are really easy, with some Spanish rice. This is just the Rice-A-Roni brand. I add the fire roasted tomatoes. I have a couple green onions on top. I actually prefer more green onions, but we have a little green onion plant and that's all I got off of it. This is my plate, Matt's plate, and my son is having a turkey and cheddar quesadilla with some turkey pepperoni, some sliced apple, and some large raspberries because he will not eat the enchiladas. But this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Making some sheet pan nachos, guys. I just put some tortilla chips with refried beans and some of this salsa that I talk about all the time from BJ's, some some diced jalapenos, and then of course can't have nachos without cheese. And then I just baked these for like 10 minutes on 350 and they are so good. So having some friends over tonight for taco night, and this is going to be like the little side dish, I guess, along with a little Spanish rice, but it's going to be really, really good. Hey guys, so I have my tacos here with the nacho cheese stand-up taco shells, the meat with the cheese, the lettuce, and the taco sauce, some Spanish rice, and then some of the loaded sheet pan nachos. So I'm going to dig in and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we made some sausages on the grill. These are sweet Italian sausages, and we're kind of having something a little bit different tonight. So this is the green giant cauliflower fried rice, and I just sauteed it up with some sesame oil. I added a couple scrambled eggs. I added a little bit of soy sauce to reduce sodium, some chopped up onion, and some garlic. So I'm excited to try it because I'm not all that familiar with cauliflower fried rice, but it tasted good from what I had so far. So I'm going to have a big, huge portion of that. I'm going to do about a sausage and a half, and then a piece of, got some fresh bread today from the bakery, nice crusty bread, but it's nice and soft in the middle. So I have a little piece of bread with butter. Matt is having the same thing, but 2 full sausages, less cauliflower, some Kraft mac and cheese, and I'm not having the mac and cheese. I'm just going to do a bigger portion of the cauliflower rice. And my son is going to have some Kraft mac and cheese, a piece of bread with no butter, some huge jumbo raspberries, and then a little tiny bit of cut up sausage, which he may or may not eat. My son is autistic, so we struggle with trying different things, textures, sensory issues, so every night really is a challenge, but wanted to share what he is having, or at least we're going to attempt to have. But yes, this is our dinner tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I just cut up that fresh pineapple, and then a whole bunch of nectarine pieces are in here. With 3 large nectarines. So I have some fresh fruit tonight with dinner. And then I did cut some larger spears that I'm going to put in the refrigerator. Put them in a baggie in the refrigerator to grill these spears up. And I just put a little bit of cinnamon sugar, sometimes just cinnamon, throw them on the grill, 5 minutes. Just kind of turn them, and they're so good. It's like eating candy, and they're nice and hot. And then again, this will just be for dinner tonight as a little side. I'll pack some for my husband, and then I'll have some as a little snack in the morning. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I made breakfast for dinner. So we're having some French toast with some maple pork sausage, and then some cut up fruit. So we've got some pineapple and fresh nectarine, and I'm just gonna have 2 slices with some sausage as well as the fruit. Matt's gonna have 3, and some fruit with sausage, and then Grady's having 1 piece of French toast with a little fruit, 1 sausage, and I'm probably also gonna give him a whole banana because he's not the hugest fan of nectarines and pineapples. But this is dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a cooking video on these because these came out bomb, guys. I used turkey, ground turkey, some baby spinach, feta, and green onion, salt and pepper. They look so good. And I seared them in on a frying pan for a couple minutes. Ooh, they're hot. And then I finished them off in the oven. I did some tomatoes. They're nice. They all burst and the juice got everywhere. Some nice roasted tomatoes, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and then I've got some rice. I'm going to bring it all together. But yes, I think I'm going to make a cooking video on these. So if you want to see a video on how I made these, comment down below. Let me know. A lot healthier than beef. Alright guys, so here are the final plates. I actually put a little drizzle of this pesto aioli on the turkey burgers. Totally not necessary, but I thought it would just add a little something extra. So my husband and I each have 2 turkey burgers. They're pretty small, so they're not huge. Obviously, if you made them huge, we'd have 1. Some of the Near East rice pilaf, and then some of those beautiful, like blistered tomatoes. I love roasted tomatoes when they pop in your mouth. But yes, very easy dinner tonight. My son had a peanut butter sandwich earlier, a full banana, and a yogurt. So he will definitely not eat any of this. But yes, this is dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner video. If you like these, please share them because they are a lot of work, and I really enjoy making them, but I need them to I need to make sure that you guys like them so I can keep continuing to do them. But have a great day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.